Good evening and welcome to the special news update from TMC. I'm Christy with Oak Hill Millworks.
And I'm Nick from Statedwoods Co. Now, the year 2020 was difficult for many. We understand watching the news this past year was really not something you even wanted to do. But I think you're going to want to hear this news update. Isn't that right, Christy?
Absolutely, Nick. We are coming to you live with a news update that's bound to be even more entertaining than the last presidential debate.
That was something else. Some people have been joking that 2021 is really a statement that 2020 won. But I have a feeling that 2020 was just the first round, and this year will come back swinging in a very big way.
Okay, anyways, there was one good thing that did come out of 2020, and that was the first annual Maker Collab. Even with an ever-looming pandemic, we had 14 teams come together to engage in a creative competition, and there were some amazing results. The Maker Collab was started by two beautiful individuals as a way to bring people together.
Now, Christy, you know you can't say the creators of the competition are beautiful. We're a completely unbiased news show. We are only devoted to the truth, liberty, and whatever our writers put on this teleprompter.
I'm just reading my teleprompter and that's what it said. Who wrote this garbage?
I think my teleprompter broke. Back to you, Christy. Tell them what this event is all about.
Absolutely. We are here with a very exciting news update for you. The Maker Collab 2021 is on, and it will not be restricted by any 25% occupancy limits. No, this event is meant to bring people together.
That's right. This creative competition is being held from February 1st to May 1st and is open to everyone around the world, just like the Olympics. Teams will consist of 2 Instagram accounts who will collaborate on a project of their choosing as it fits within the competition's theme. The teams can consist of woodworkers, blacksmiths, sculptors, painters, resin artists. Anyone who makes anything is welcome.
The theme for this year's Maker Collab is iconic movie props, and your interpretation of what you can make within that theme is pretty open, considering this is a competition we made up just because we felt like it, and it's not that serious in general.
This year, the hosts of the competitions will be selling t-shirts, and they will be available for purchase, and any profits made from the t-shirts will be donated to a charity that the community votes on later.
That's right. To register your team for the Maker Collab 2021, simply send a message to either Oak Hill Millworks or Statedwoods with the 2 Instagram handles of the teammates, as well as your email addresses for more info. And remember, your partner can be anyone in the world. As long as you are willing to work on your part of the project and ship it out to your partner, you're golden.
It's so exciting that the Maker Collaboration is back this year, and it's going to be better than ever. We're going to tell you all about it right after this quick commercial break with a word from our sponsors.
The sponsors of the Maker Collab 2021 are IsoTunes Audio, Klingspor Woodworking Shop, Bad North America, Total Boat, Titebond, Bessie, Bear Brothers Fine Hardwoods, Bumbleshoots.
What the was that? That wasn't even a commercial.
Yeah, sorry guys. Had to cut the commercials. Budget's tight this year.
Awesome.
Are you kidding me?
Okay.
Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. This is just embarrassing.
This is ridiculous. They're not going to pay us well, and we don't even get commercials. Screw it. I'm eating on air.
Please. Thank you. All right, so we got to do this ourselves since TMC is not going to help us any.
I got this. Ooh, this feels great. Oh, wow. The audio is so good.
Those look sweet. They look comfortable. Are they comfortable on?
Ooh, I can take a call on these.
Christy. Crit. We've lost her.
It actually feels like I'm at the concert.
Christy. Oh my God, we're on live TV right now. Can you stop? Can you? Oh my Jesus. Just, oh my God.
Ooh. Sorry, got a little carried away there. Sponsor number 1, IsoTunes Audio, featuring the IsoTunes link, keeping you connected and protected in loud environments. Nick? Jeez, don't get so mad, Nick.
Our second sponsor is Klingspor, featuring their new Green Tech sandpaper. If you have a woodworking project that's more rough than being quarantined inside with your family during a worldwide pandemic and an election year, then this is the paper for you. Call Mike and the guys at Klingspor today to hear all about their products that they can offer you. We promise they'll be anything but abrasive.
Fantastic. Our third sponsor is Bad North America, featuring an e-gift card for you to try out their gear. Bad is a workwear company that hopes to instill its mantra of believe, aspire, do into the everyday lives of their customers. When you have a bad attitude with them, it really just means you have a great pair of slim fit work pants.
Speaking of pants, our fourth sponsor is Total Boat, with a gallon kit of high performance epoxy with slow hardener, halcyon varnish, cups, and a hat. Total Boat is a brand that grew out of the need for a better product. For boaters, by boaters. Except when it's for DIYers and makers and they just want epoxy for random things. But by boaters.
Okay. Our fifth sponsor is titebond, featuring a gallon of TB3 and a pump accessory. Titebond has been a long-standing supporter of the maker community, and they offer the right products, the right advice, and the right solutions. Just a word of caution, they are not a hotline, so do not call them with personal matters. They don't give advice on personal matters. They will redirect you to the appropriate resource, and I've heard that. That didn't happen to me.
Ooh, okay, that's weird. Our sixth sponsor is Bessie, featuring their amazing trigger and gear clamps. Bessie has been in business for over 130 years. That's older than hearing about this coronavirus, but they're fantastic clamps. These clamps sure can keep us all together during these quarantine times.
Our seventh sponsor is Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, featuring an e-gift card to their website where you can shop their wood selection, tools, or accessories. Ordered easily, delivered conveniently, enjoyed comfortably. Which to me sounds exactly like when I order pizza from my phone and I make my husband go get it and then I eat it on the couch in my sweatpants.
Our eighth sponsor is Bumbleshoots, featuring a 32-ounce supply of woodworker's oil and some all-in-one wood conditioner. Either this is a cutting board maker's dream or someone is going to have themselves a nice little spa day.
Wow, those are some incredible prizes. Thank you so much to all of our sponsors supporting the Maker Collab 2021.
Well, that wraps up our nightly news update, folks. Thank you so much for joining us. We look forward to seeing you next time right here on TMC.
On TMC.
Right here
Right
on TMC.
here. On TMC.
Right here on TMC.
On TMC.
Right here. I can't work like this. I'm done.
I cannot work with him.